What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the 2020 video, the first video of the new year. Sorry it is late, but on the video on all this. But since we're here, let's get started with some card openings, shall we? All right, like I said, let's get some card openings. Sorry I've been gone, everybody. A lot of stuff has been happening. So before I get there, I do have some basic sword and shield. So we're going for that rainbow. I think it's Umbreon, if I'm correct. And the Vivid Voltage, we are still looking for the pink background Pikachu and the rainbow Pikachu. So actually, let's get started with this one. Oh, sorry, I have been missing, guys. I know it's been such a long month now. Oh, it's almost been a month. Yeah, where it's been, it almost feels like a month. It's okay, so I just might as well throw it out there. So I got sick. It's not it's not what you think. I wasn't like contagious or anything. No, an old scar of mine just decided, like, hey, guess what? I'm still here. So that happened, but I'm back fully recovered majority of it. I wouldn't say fully recovered, because fully recovered means I can run around and do whatever I want. Well, within legal standpoint. But I am feeling so much better, and I can't wait to see what the new year bring for us all. Hopefully be good. And ooh, Lapras. All right, I love, it's kind of smiling. That's a weird smile, actually. But hey, you know what, actually that's one of my favorite cards, is Lapras, especially from the original base set 2 packs. I still have mine mint, never been played, so one of these days I'll get it graded, hopefully. But like I said, I've been trying to little bolt right there. Been healing. That's what I've been doing. Sorry with a lot of ums, but that's all I've been doing. Been healing. Trying to get going. Need to move about more. That's what I need to do. But trying to get a few things taken care of first. Then I will be back to the lives with a new game. So one of my friends suggested this game to me because they knew how much I actually love horror, like movies and all that. Games actually falls right upon that. So it's an older game that he suggested, and when I saw it, it looked very interesting, and I am going to give it 100% of what I can try to do. But it is a very, very long game, and especially if it's going to be live, it's going to be a lot longer. So what the game is called is Penumbra, and it's, if you haven't seen it like I have never seen it before. I guess it's like a horror puzzle solving game. Like I said, it looked very interesting. I can't wait to play. He told me to play the first 2 only and don't bother with the 3rd one. So I guess the 3rd one was really bad. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. I mean, if some of you have heard of it or played it, let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Come on, it's free. It is free. Just click that little button right there, and you know, hear that little ding. Ooh. Cool burrito. Just a little Copa burrito. But yeah, don't forget, like, subscribe, you know. Doesn't cost anything. You can always help out a fellow YouTuber, or oh, that one shot underneath. You know, it helps everybody out. All right, we got octopus. We got snow. Oh god. There are some. Ooh, knocked out. There are some Pokemon you just want to make fun of, and others you're just like, that's pretty funny. I watched this TikToker, and he was just making fun of all these names, and some of them were really good. All right, good luck. And 4, right? Yeah, 4. Oh, yeah. There we go. Fire. Quillfish, Pokekid, Energy Search, or Seed, Krabby. I miss that little Krabby. Anybody else miss the older Pokemon? Old picks, and ooh, Keldeo V. I remember this name before, and I'm trying to remember it now, and I know I butchered that name badly. It happens. That's pretty nice. It's very pretty. All right, this is the last base set packs that I have. Then we'll jump into a little bit of Vivid Voltage. But yeah, like I said, I can't wait to get back to online streaming again. I do miss it, guys. I really do. Like I said, everything's been a little hectic recently. Being sick and trying to get better. Chinchou. Okay. Pokecatcher and Regirock V. Again, I think I pulled that one before. Right, let's get some Vivid Voltage in here, shall we? Remember, we're going for the Rainbow Pikachu. It has been pulled. I've seen it being pulled. I have not pulled it myself, and I can't wait to pull it for myself. Alright, there you guys go. I realize I gotta hand all those other lips to my sister-in-law. Alright. Rockruff. Poochyena. Blitzel. Skidoo. Proceed. And Whimsicott. Non-holographic. Yeah, my sister-in-law uses these codes, but I know some people out there use them too, so that's why I'm not. That's why you do some showing and some not. If you're ever wondering. That's why sometimes you see me just toss it off to the side. That's the reason why. Alright, so we got the reverse of Leon and ooh, a Colossus VMAX. That's pretty. I don't care. I love the full arts. Ooh. That's all the way to the edge on that. Alright, next one. Alright, there you go. Alright, we still got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. And I'll keep looking at the time. It's like, how much time do I have? Yep, I got plenty. Alright. Oop. Hooper. Alright, Nessa, and a hollow Leon. Oh, I know, I thought I pulled the secret art of Leon, if I remember correctly. If I'm not, well, there's always a chance to pull one. I check my cards again. That's another thing I want to do. I thought about doing this, especially on TikTok, showing off some of my card collection, or let's just say I have a few older Pokemon comic books. Yeah, I could never find the infamous fourth one. Oh, trust me, I wanted that one so bad. But this is like years ago. Flareon and Samurott. Non-holographic. Because I had these like for years, guys. And they're safe. I keep them safe. I live in a house full of collectors. My dad got me into it years ago. I still collect ever since. So there's some comic books I have lying about. Well, I shouldn't say lying about. I should actually say in storage. So I know a lot of comic book collectors are just like, it has to be in storage. It can never be read. Well, that's why you buy two of them. One to read, one to ooh, they're boring. One to read and one to collect. That's what some people do. For me, I like the covers. I love the covers, love the artwork. It's always been like a expensive habit. So hey, at least it's going to that, and that's it. Clefairy, Tynamo, Glaring Meowth. Ooh, we got an amazing rare of Rayquaza. Ooh, that's pretty. Ooh, and a non-holographic. Hey, I love pulling those amazing rares. Oh, still looking, still looking. Don't worry, guys, we'll find it. Eventually, we'll find it. All right, fire energy. All right. But like I said, there's a few games, especially there's a few games I need to go back to finish. And Regirock Hollow. Need to finish or start. I know one of them would be the Tails game. I know I need to go back to completing that one. And you know, just hang out. All right, Rockruff, Skidoo, Tiny Jumping Turtle, and the Explosive Head. Explode. All right. Looks like we're down to our last 3. Look. All right. And Adiana. Tumbrick, Disco, Meow, Galarian, Voltor, Weedle, Jolber, Spicy Escargot, and Electro, the explosive one, Hollow. Yes, I did say Spicy Escargot. That was my cargo, but you know, gotta make some light jokes here and there. Sometimes you gotta laugh at your own jokes. Only when they're funny. Dynamo, Execute, Thingy Bird, and non-holographic Vaporeon. All right, we down to the last one, guys. All right. Now if it'll open. All right, last one. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, fighting energy. All right, guess stone energy. Anyway, Dene, Drillbur, Oshawott, Duskull, Litzel, and a Togekiss V. All right, guys. Whew. All right, well, it's been a lot of fun. I miss you guys so much. Remember, stay safe, love each other, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.